This is Dan Faschingbauer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload your global profit system capture pages to your ClickFunnels account. And video 3 in your global profit system back office describes how to do that, but I'm also going to walk through that today using my account. So the first thing you want to do is open up your ClickFunnels account in a separate tab. So I'm logged into my back office of my ClickFunnels account here. Come back over here and we'll scroll down, and here's a tab where you can sign up for ClickFunnels if you do not already have an account. But in my case I do, so I'm going to keep scrolling down, and then you'll see the one-click capture pages. You want to click here to install your capture pages, and you can see a little status bar across the top here going through here, and you can see this green status bar here going through here. So here you can see the shared funnels are here, the global profit system capture pages. Alright, so what I need to do now is make sure that my Aweber account is integrated with ClickFunnels. So I'll come over here and click on my image and click on integrations, and I'll click on add new integration. I will select Aweber, give it an integration a nickname. I will call it Aweber, and click on connect integration. Then you need to enter in your Aweber login name and password and click on allow access. And it says success, Aweber was successfully created. And you can see that it shows up right down here. Now we want to come up over here and click on ClickFunnels and click on Funnels. And since this is a new account, I should only have one shared funnel in here called Global Profit System Capture Pages. Click on that. Now by default you should be on Capture Page 1, and just click on Edit Page in Classic Editor. Now what I'm going to do is associate this form here with my Aweber Global Profit System list. So I'll click on Email, and then next to Integration here, use the pull down, select Aweber, and then for Action, use that pull down and select Integrate Existing Form. And when you do that, you get the list to add here. Use that pull down, and you should see your global profit system. And you should see your global profit system list. So select that, and then it says connected. So now I can come over here and just click in this area here, and that goes away. So then I'm going to go here where it says enter your best email, and then click on settings. And then for input type, make sure this says email address. So that looks good, so I'll just come here and click here. Now hover over the yes, give me access button and click on the settings. And you want to make sure that your button action is set to URL action, and the URL action is set to #submit-form. Alright, so we can click out of that. So you want to verify the same information for show pop-up. So click on that, and then click on settings for your email address here, and this should say input type email address. It does. Okay. And then hover over the show me how, click on that, and again that button action should say URL action, and the URL action should be #submit-form, and it is. Alright, so we're good to go with that. Alright, so now what we need to do is get our registration link from our global profit system. So go into your back office. If you're not at this place here, click on Home. Then you can go to My Account, and then go to Marketing and Affiliate Links. And then scroll down, and you want this straight to registration page link. You want this URL here. Then go back over to your ClickFunnels page. Click on Settings. Click on Redirect Override. And then whatever's in here, triple click that, hit delete, get everything out of there, and put in your share registration link. And if we come up here and scroll to the right, we'll see it there. And then click on Save. So then we can click out here and then click on Exit. So now what we're going to do is go to our Aweber account and create a sign up form. In this another tab here, I have my Aweber account. Make sure that your current list is Global Profit System. Click on Sign Up Forms. Scroll down, click on Create a Sign Up Form. Scroll down here, and for our sign up form, the only thing we want on it is just the email and the submit button. So come down here and we'll delete this section. We'll delete this section, delete this section. Here's our submit button, we want to keep that. Here's the email, we want to keep that. Name, we're going to delete that out of here too. And then our header, delete that out. So all we're left with is just email and submit button. Click on Save Your Form, and you'll see here that it says your web form has been saved. Now scroll down, and we'll click here, go to step 2. We're going to name our form. We'll call it Global Profit System. And then for the thank you page, we're going to use the pull down here, and we're going to select Custom Page. Use your own URL. And we're going to paste in our registration link. All right, and then for the already subscribed page, when you use the pull down and click on Custom Page, use your own URL. And again, I'm going to put in my personalized registration link. Click on Save Your Form. It says your web form has been saved. Scroll down, click on Go to Step 3. Click on List Options, List Settings. Click on Confirmation Message. Scroll down and make sure that your confirmation message settings are both set to off, and they are in my case. So I'll just click on Save Settings. Now we'll go back to our ClickFunnels area to test it. So we'll click here. So in order to test this, you will grab your capture page URL here, copy that, open up a new tab, paste that in there. All right, so let's enter in our own personal email address to test this out. And then let's click on Yes, give me free access. So it looks like Aweber is not really allowing me to turn off my double opt-in since I'm a new member of Aweber. So you'll see here that it says you check your email. Check my email, click here. Click on Confirm my subscription. It says your subscription has been confirmed. All right, so the key to testing out this capture page is make sure that you are logged out of your global profit system. If you are logged in, it will not work properly for this test case. I'm logged out of my global profit system, and I'll go back over here to my capture page, and I just entered in my email address and click on Yes, give me free access. I'm going to stop the video here. So as you can see, it brought me to the registration link with a video from Angie. And then it has here referred by Dan Faschingbauer. So the person can watch this video and then they can register for more information, and they are already on my Aweber email list. If I go over to Aweber and click on subscribers, click on manage subscribers, you'll see here that here's the email address, and it was subscribed today. And this is my email address, and it says the name is unknown. That's because we did not ask for the name in the capture page. All we asked for is their email address. All right, so that worked fine. So I'm just going to click here and delete this subscriber out of here since this was just a test. All right, so our test of our first capture page works well. Okay, so that's basically it. We tested our capture page, and it redirected us to the registration page and added us to our Aweber list. So that's what we expected to happen. So now at this point, all you would do is rinse and repeat this same procedure for each of the 5 custom capture pages. So at this point, all you would do is rinse and repeat this procedure for each of the 5 custom capture pages in ClickFunnels. And then you'll be up and running with all of your capture pages. So I hope you found this video informational, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.